Hello, thank you for coming.
Hello, what is the problem?
My bathroom pipe is leaking.
How long has it leaked?
Since this morning, quite bad.
Is water still coming out?
Yes, see the puddle there?
I see it. Not good.
Can you fix it today?
Yes, I can fix it.
How long will it take?
About 1 to 2 hours.
Is that a long time?
For pipe repair, no.
Can I show you inside?
Yes, please show me.
It is the bathroom pipe.
Under the sink or toilet?
Under the sink, I think.
Okay, let me check.
Is it serious problem?
Let me see it first.
Should I be worried?
Not yet. Stay calm.
How did this happen?
Old pipes crack sometimes.
My apartment is quite old.
That explains the problem then.
Can you see the leak?
Yes, I found it.
Where exactly is it?
Connection joint is cracked.
Is that a big problem?
No, very common problem.
Can you fix it now?
Yes, I have parts.
You have parts with you?
Yes, always carry spares.
That is very convenient.
Always prepared for anything.
How much will it cost?
About $80 total.
Is $80 reasonable?
Yes, very fair price.
Do you accept card payment?
Yes, card is fine.
Good. I have no cash.
No problem at all.
Should I turn water off?
Already done. Do not worry.
You turned it off already?
Yes, very first thing.
You are very efficient.
Experience makes things faster.
How long have you worked?
About 15 years now.
15 years? That is impressive.
Yes, seen everything by now.
Have you seen worse leaks?
Oh yes, much worse.
Like what, for example?
Entire bathroom flooded once.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
Yes, very bad situation.
I am lucky mine is small.
Yes, you called just in time.
What if I had waited?
Could have damaged floor below.
The neighbors below me?
Yes, very serious consequence.
I am glad I called.
Very smart decision indeed.
Should I call Landlord too?
Yes, they should know.
Is it landlord responsibility?
Depends on your lease.
What does that mean exactly?
Read your rental agreement.
I will check it today.
Good idea, do that.
Can you write repair report?
Yes, I always do.
Is report important for landlord?
Yes, very important document.
Thank you for thinking ahead.
That is part of service.
Are you almost finished now?
Just 5 more minutes.
That was very fast.
Simple repair, no problem.
Should I check anything after?
Watch for drips tomorrow.
How will I know if fixed?
No drips means all good.
What if drip comes back?
Call me immediately then.
Do you give warranty?
Yes, 30-day warranty.
30 days is very good.
Standard for all my work.
Are you finished now?
Yes, completely done now.
Can I turn water back on?
Yes, I already did.
Is everything working normally?
Yes, working perfectly now.
No more leaking at all?
No leaking, all sealed.
You are amazing. Thank you.
Just doing my job well.
Can I have your number?
Yes, here's my card.
Do you work on weekends?
Yes, available 7 days.
Even holidays you work?
Pipes do not know holidays.
That is very funny.
Plumber humor, sorry.
I will recommend you to neighbors.
Thank you so much.
You deserve 5-star review.
That means a lot.
Goodbye, and thank you again.
Goodbye. Call anytime needed.
One more question, please.
Yes, of course.
Should I buy new pipes?
Not yet. These are okay.
When should I replace them?
In about 5 years.
How will I know when?
Frequent leaks mean replace soon.
Is that expensive to replace?
Depends on apartment size.
My apartment is quite small.
Maybe $300 total.
That is not too bad.
Better than flood damage.